I get lots of questions from Money Sucks readers about the rights we have as consumers if we're taking goods back to the retailers and asking for a refund. Now, the bottom line is that the rights we have are dependent on why we're taking them back in the first place. If we're taking them back because they're faulty and they don't work anymore, then we do have rights that are enshrined in consumer legislation, and I'll come back and talk about them next time. But if we're just taking something back because it doesn't fit us, or we don't like the colour, or it doesn't fit into the room that we bought it for, then as far as the law is concerned, we have no rights at all. We're at the mercy of retailers. Now, some retailers, in fact most retailers, will allow a refund or at least an exchange or a credit note for a certain length of time after the goods have been bought. But it's really important that you understand what that length of time is. And you can generally find out the information either by asking the retailer or by checking at the till point. There's usually some sort of note that says these are your rights if you want to exchange goods. But it's down to the retailer, and the retailer can insist, for example, that you have a receipt before they'll give you a refund or an exchange or a credit note. And they can insist that you have all the original packaging that you got the goods in the first place. And there will be some goods that they won't refund at all, perhaps some underwear or jewellery or something like that, that they just won't return. Or if goods have been specially made for you, you might find yourself in a bit of a sticky situation. So it's always worth checking exactly what the situation is. If you think there's a chance that you'll bring something back, if you change your mind, then make sure that you understand exactly what rights you've got under the retailer's rules, because you've got no rights as far as the law is concerned.